Hello Aries, here's your weekly horoscope for December 6th to December 12th. Well, the first thing I can say, it's a good thing that you're normally fast on your feet, because with Mars, your ruling planet, now moving direct in your sign, it is certainly firing you up big time. Let's break it down because there's a lot of other aspects going on as well. In general, Mars is infusing you with a lot of energy, a lot of initiating energy, which is what you're really good at, a lot of activating energy. You can be a bit of an instigator, a bit of a catalyst. You can even be a little bit of a poop disturber now and then when you want to be. That's just the nature of your sign. And this week, it seems that you want to be stirring up things a bit. We have Pluto in Capricorn. By the very end of this week, more into next week, Mars is going to begin squaring Pluto. But we'll leave that to next week's commentary. But for now, with Pluto and also Jupiter, Saturn, perhaps involved with squaring other Aries planets, or perhaps your Sun, especially if you're a mid to late April Aries, you are going to be experiencing still a little bit of the negative side of this Saturn and Capricorn, Pluto and Capricorn issue that we had this year. However, that's going to be ending very soon, because in a couple of weeks, when Jupiter and Saturn both move into Aquarius, that is a sign that is very positively predisposed to your sign, and you can expect some exciting new developments for 2021. But finishing off with this week, we have Mercury and the Sun in Sagittarius. And for your sign, that puts both the Sun and Mercury in an area of your horoscope that deals with religion, spirituality, higher life philosophies, communication, and travel. So all of these things could be highlighted for you this week. If you are one to send out Christmas cards, this is a good week to write them out and send them out, or to mail out any gifts that you might be thinking of doing as well. For many Aries, you may find yourself in a position of training or teaching this week as well with these kinds of aspects. With Venus in Scorpio, that puts Venus in, not the best place in your horoscope, but it could be worse, I suppose. Other people's money, issues around that may come up for you this week. Now, that could be if someone is looking for some financial help, they may be coming to you. Or it could be if you're looking for some financial help, you're needing to go to the bank or an investment company or somewhere to perhaps, work out your financial and investment issues that may have come up this year. This is a good time to look after those things for Aries. Lastly, dealing with Chiron in Aries. It is slowing down to make a station. I'm going to talk more about that next week. But as it slows down to make its station, it kind of lends more energy to the sign of Aries. And Chiron is what we call the wounded healer, or the maverick. Now, Aries, you're already a bit of a maverick when it comes to astrology. You like to dance to your own tune. But with Chiron slowing down as it's about to make a station in Aries, it is a good time for you to take a look at where you've been wounded, where you don't feel whole, or where you feel you've been cut off in some sort of way, and it's causing you pain. It's a good idea now to take a look at anything or anyone that might be causing some pain in your life, and you can begin even this week to think about how you can repair relationships or correct a situation. More next week when Chiron makes its station. That might be a good thing to do. But for this week, good luck just keeping up with everything. Almost every planet, including the moon, is aspecting you this week at some point. In general, it's a lot more positive than negative. So hopefully that is how the week will turn out for Aries.